That crunch of metal on Highway 18, the smell of burnt airbags, your hands shaking while you sit at the intersection near Marquette Road, and before the tow truck even leaves the scene, your phone rings. It's the insurance company. They sound friendly enough. They say they just need a quick recorded statement. They might even suggest that you don't need a Prairie du Chien car accident lawyer because this will be very simple. Here's the problem. What you say in the first 48 hours after a crash in western Wisconsin can cost you thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars under Wisconsin auto accident laws. Insurance adjusters are trained. You're not. If you were just hit in Prairie du Chien, whether it happened on Highway 35 along the river, on Highway 27, or on a rural Crawford County road, here are the 3 things you need to do immediately to protect yourself and your family. I've been handling serious car and truck accident cases in western Wisconsin for more than 20 years. I've taken cases to trial against big insurance companies and won. I know how these claims actually work under Wisconsin injury law. Let's get practical. Here are 3 things you need to know. Number 1, protect your health first, even if you feel fine. Adrenaline lies, whiplash, concussions, soft tissue injuries, they don't always show up at the scene. If EMS checked you out, but you didn't go to the emergency room, schedule follow-up immediately. Prairie du Chien has limited local medical resources. Go to La Crosse if you need to. Just get checked out. Delayed treatment is one of the first things insurance companies use against you. If there's no medical record, they'll argue you weren't really hurt. Under Wisconsin personal injury law, documentation matters a lot. Number 2, do not give a recorded statement without legal advice. This is where most people make a costly mistake. The adjusters may say, we just want your side of the story, or it's routine, or it will speed things up, but it actually won't. They are trained to ask questions designed to minimize fault under Wisconsin's comparative negligence rules. You see, if they can push 51% of the blame onto you, even subtly, you recover nothing. Even at 20% fault, your recovery is reduced by 20%. That's not theory. That's just how auto accident laws in western Wisconsin actually work. Before you speak on the record, talk to someone who understands the system. Number 3, preserve evidence. Prairie du Chien crashes are often different from city crashes. You're dealing with farm equipment, dump trucks, milk trucks, blind intersections. If there's a commercial vehicle involved, let's say a dump truck, feed truck, or a farm semi, there may be things like electronic logging data, dash cam footage, or maintenance records that can disappear quickly. The sooner someone sends a preservation letter, the better. Waiting weeks can mean critical evidence is just gone. If the insurance company offers you money fast, it's usually because they know the case is worth more. They want the claim closed before the full medical picture develops and before you have a chance to talk to an attorney. Once you sign, it's over, even if your condition gets worse. If you were hurt in a Prairie du Chien crash, you don't need a billboard lawyer from the other side of the state. You need someone who understands Crawford County roads, western Wisconsin juries, and how insurance companies evaluate cases here. Someone who isn't afraid to try the case if that's what it takes. If you want to talk through your situation, just reach out to us. The consultation is free. Get clarity before you make a statement. Get answers before you sign anything. Because after a Prairie du Chien car accident, the right first move can make all the difference.